Hey guys, Team Stagioni in the house, JR.
And Yana. Today we're gonna show you something amazing, something beautiful.
We're gonna show you how to turn this ratty dull hair into
This beautiful, brand new, shiny, silky hair. Can you imagine just a few hours ago, literally, this hair looked like
this hair.
Speaking of hair extensions, we all know that they are quite expensive.
Yeah, super expensive. So we're here to show you an inexpensive way to save these not so pretty extensions and turn them into beautiful extensions like
Step number 1, untangle your hair extensions. Step number 2, we have to rotate our hair extensions. So we find the glossy side and really carefully rotating our hair extensions.
Okay, now that I've predetermined that this extension has a little bit of warmth to it, and this will ensure that we're healing and toning at the same time.
And we're toning our extension one by one. In this case, the color gonna look more even. So the last chemical procedure for our hair extensions is
The keratin treatment, it'll make the hair shinier and lock in that tone that we just put in. Here is we're going to apply a generous amount of keratin onto the hair. Make sure that that's fully saturated from tip to tip.
So we just finished our application with the keratin on the hair extensions, and it doesn't look like it's a regular keratin treatment. It's something different.
Yeah, it's like more of a smoothing treatment, and we're going to leave this on for 20 minutes, rinse it out, not totally, maybe 80% of it. I'll dry it, and then
Follow up with the flat iron, so you're gonna see the best result very, very soon. And that's what we're doing. We're actually sharing our
little secrets, yeah.
little secrets, how all of our clients and models hair looks so amazing. Because here, right here, in the heart of Hollywood at
Stagioni Studio. So this is the final process, and we're just going to smooth this out with a flat iron to lock in that little keratin smoothing treatment to make it extra shine and polish those ends.
That was great, don't you think?
Oh yeah, absolutely. These are reusable, ready to go, and ready to put on someone to make their beautiful and longer.
What do you, I think I kind of gonna look good with this one. I wanna change mine.
I like that. Me too.
What do you think?
I think so too. What do you think? Let's do it.
What do you think, guys?
I'm beautiful as a blonde, no?
Yeah, me
Blondes
too.
have more fun.
There you go, guys. We hope that you learned something today.
Yeah, and follow us. And if you want to learn more tips, subscribe. And we'll see you again soon.
It was us,
Yana
and
JR. We'll see you soon.
Good.
Is the mark right there? Is the
Because
wait,
you're
it's stepping
taller
on the
than me,
mark.
so we can do lower. Actually, hold on, babe.
Well, I mean, it depends on the person too, you know.
Well, I
Oh,
have to.
wait,
I have to
don't-
do
don't-
it
don't
on.
move it.
I have to do on GA because
Yes.
9 minutes.
you're not to. You have to be
Danny.
that side. Move that side.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
A little bit further.
What time is it?
Do you want to make it 10 minutes?
10 minutes right now.
Okay.
What time is it?
Maganda pa like this.
Well, I'm just gonna show
Okay,
my
never mind,
eyes.
never mind, yeah.
I'm gonna be absolutely. Okay.
Come on.
I got some M&Ms.
Oh, thank you.
The water inside.
Okay.
Come on, Ian. We gotta work.
So ready?
Model workers has to be hungry.
Okay, I'm recording right now just in case, just for you to see the final touch, you know. Okay.
Good like
So
that?
what are we talking about, the extensions?
Hold on, there was a song.
Let's see if we do
You have to do this. Hi guys!
Hey,
Yana
guys.
and GR.
that. Hey guys, team shut. Hey guys,
Hold
team.
on.
Oh.
Just go.
Hey guys, team Stagioni in the house. JR.
Talking or speaking?
What are we
What is the correct? What is the correct?
Speaking of hair extensions,
Yeah,
they can be
speaking.
quite expensive.
Good.
3,
Oh my God, I don't
Two.
even script
I told
writer.
you I found one in
Okay, let's do that.
3, 1.
Speaking of hair extensions, we all know how. I forgot my line.
Don't jiggle the hair.
Step number 1.
Okay, sorry.
So good.
I'm so good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Video.
Okay, Spielberg, just hang on there.
I mean, because you always hype each other up, and I'm like the third wheel here. I'm left out, so thank you.
Never.
This is an experience.
Third wheel.
Spielberg.
You know what they say about cameramans? They don't, because I'm a camera woman.
Okay. Okay, camera woman.
We have a camera. We have a camera woman today.
Yes, we're equal opportunists.
Нам было развернуто себя показать и помахать. Давай. I'm gonna say it one more.
Давай.
I'm gonna say it one more. Yeah. So we're actually having today behind the camera
A guest,
a woman, not the man.
a guest film artist.
Hi guys.
So she's gonna get credit today.
What? IMDb?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, what's IMDb?
Oh my god, she doesn't know.
Look like a 5th grade girl, a 5th grade crazy girl.
You
You know the ones with the ponytails, they always have a joke.